The Earth's axis of rotation, or the wobble effect. Let's begin by talking about the Earth's axis. The Earth rotates on an axis. The axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees. The Earth rotates around its axis once a day. The tilt of the axis affects when seasons occur. When the axis tilts toward the sun, the northern hemisphere experiences summer, while the southern hemisphere experiences winter. In half a year, the Earth will revolve elliptically counterclockwise around the sun, while the axis stays tilted at 23.5 degrees. When the axis tilts away from the sun, the northern hemisphere then experiences winter, and the southern hemisphere experiences summer.
Hello everyone. Because of the tilt of the Earth at 23.5 degrees, we have two tropics. One is the Tropic of Cancer right here, and the Tropic of Capricorn right here. A tropic is when the sun is directly overhead on the longest day, also known as the solstice. The Tropic of Cancer is located 23.5 degrees north of the equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn is located 23.5 degrees south of the equator. On June 22nd, that is the summer solstice, and that is the longest day of the year. That's the day that the sun is directly shining right at the Tropic of Cancer. The summer solstice on the Tropic of Cancer is December 21st. That's the longest day in the southern hemisphere, which makes it the shortest day in the northern hemisphere. You may have noticed that those 2 days, June 21st is the longest day of the year with the sunlight out the longest, and December 21st is the shortest day of the year. That's when we have the least amount of sunlight. In the lab yesterday, we used paper to represent the Earth and a flashlight to represent the sun. Today we have a globe representing the Earth, and we're still using a flashlight to represent the sun. We'll be pointing the flashlight on the equator, as well as the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. It's your job today to determine which beam of light most closely matches the 90-degree angle from yesterday, and which one matches the 70-degree angle. Is it the equator or one of the tropics? So let's begin with the equator. Which beam of light does that one look more like? The 70-degree angle or the 90-degree angle? And which beam of light looks more like the 70-degree angle or the 90-degree angle? This one's the Tropic of Cancer. And down here, we have the Tropic of Capricorn. So your job is to determine which one is most like the lab from yesterday.